Yes, we are live. So we'll be talking about the evolution of the internet. So this is an article which I've written in the evolution of the internet web 1, web 2, web 3. So I'll be going in details because all this crypto, NFT, blockchain, all these are related. So let's go about the and discuss about the evolution of the internet, web 1, web 2 and web 3. So talking about Web 1, so Web 1 is where like it was back in the 1991 and 2004 where most of the where all the websites were information based. So it was not taking like any input more or less. So it was mostly information which the server used to serve some pages and then we used to go through it. So data and content were served from a file server system and rather than being stored in a database and dynamic. Then it came Web 2.0. So Web 2.0 is all this like email, Gmail, Facebook, and podcasting, blogging. So all these are related with and all the social networking sites. So these are this is called Web 2. So if you go through my article in medium.com and just search, so it will be in the description the link to go to the article. So there you'll see the difference between web 1, 2, 3 and 0. So now like what is web 3? So web 3 is it is the foundation of decentralization. Decentralization, it means that no central authority runs the application. So it's a Facebook, Twitter, a LinkedIn, all these are web 2.0 and these are centralized application. It means that the website, the data is owned by Facebook, it is stored there, and in decentralized application there is no single authority having control over the data being stored, and this data being stored in a blockchain, so it's immutable. The contents are there forever, it cannot be changed. So talking about blockchain is the where the data is stored everywhere. The data is stored in different servers globally, so nobody knows where it is stored and none has control over it. So it's immutable. Once the data is stored in a blockchain, so it stays there forever. And Bitcoin, the cryptocurrency which is popular these days, is an application of blockchain. It uses the technology called blockchain. So and Bitcoin came out in 2008 and it just has a simple feature of sending digital money from one account, one wallet address to another. So that's all. Then came Ethereum, which has got where you can put smart contracts on the blockchain. So what are smart contracts? Smart contracts are something which have automatic codes running based on some conditions, based on some logic. It will run on its own. So these are this is a brief explanation of smart contracts. So as you see, the web 3.0 where we talk about metaverse, we talk about NFT. So all these applications are web 3.0. So it means a mixture of like artificial intelligence, machine learning, augmented reality, and all these things. And so in the times to come, it's exciting. We'll be seeing a lot of applications in the metaverse where we'll be using body sensors, we'll be using special glasses to wear, where let's say, for example, we meet like all the friends, they are sitting at the home and we meet in a virtual world. We're going to watch a World Cup football match in the metaverse. So like we'll be in the audience virtually. So we'll also have NFTs, like we'll buy NFTs of different sports clubs. So we'll be displaying or showing our NFTs and our own avatar, our own something like a digital version of us will be there in the stands. They'll be cheering the clubs and we'll be having a digital popcorn. We'll be wearing designer Gucci clothes. So things are come, then we might, like if you're thirsty, like we might also have a digital Coca-Cola. So all these things are there which are coming in the future. That's all about a metaverse, which we talk about metaverse. So And in education, like we will be having a lot of 3D applications. There'll be a thin difference between the physical world and the digital world. So there'll be a lot of learning aids, there'll be a lot of sensors where we'll be using, and then we'll be accessing these metaverse platforms. So let's say we are accessing a metaverse platform which has got 3D animations or something related to science. So that way, in the metaverse platform, we can understand the concepts much better in a quicker time than reading printed books, than going to some videos. So things are there, like which will come in all directions. Different industries will be, different domains will be adopting metaverse, and also branding and marketing will be a big concept, because a lot of people will be logged on to the metaverse platforms, accessing different metaverse platforms. And obviously, yeah, just like people advertising in Google, in advertising in Facebook, brands and all, they also want a pie of the branding market. So another example of metaverse is that we see some musical concerts being held in a metaverse, where already there are a million users already in the platform. So just they should schedule their rock shows, their musical concerts in the metaverse, and they have access to all this audience. And the audience they will be buying tickets in the metaverse to have a feel of the musical concert. And in metaverse, we generally use a crypto wallet. MetaMask is the most popular crypto wallet. So it's installed here. So it's a Google Chrome extension or a browser extension. And there are also a wallet where you can install in your mobile app, where you can install in your Android or iPhone. And also there are hardware wallets similar to a pen drive, where you can store your cryptocurrency. Then with these wallets, you can log into the Web3 world. You can buy tickets, some are free. So all these things are there, and so like exciting things are coming. So this is the metaverse which is loading, and I'll go you. So I'll be having a lot of like online sessions talking about cryptocurrency markets, talking about blockchain development, talking about programming in the times to come. So do subscribe to your new channel to get updated as and when required. So this will be more of a cryptocurrency, NFT, blockchain and things like that, along with a bit of trading. So I have here the Binance platform open. So we'll also go briefly about Binance and how to do trading and all these things. These are the crypto coins and how to go about trading. So these things will be more or less for a layman to understand, so that everybody can learn a bit of technology. About myself, I've got more than 25 years experience in technology, running technology companies. So I started back in 1999, and since then it's a long way. In between, I started an ISP giving internet connections all over Assam. Then like software was always my passion, and learning new technologies, learning and up to date with AI, MI and all. And I do like offer a career guidance to a number of people who wants to enter the management field. I also have an MBA degree from Pune University. And then if anybody wants guidance in technology management, feel free to use the comment section and write to me. And if you want to have any technical videos about how to go about web development, e-commerce, what the latest technologies, how to get into the IT industry, or how to get in the corporate world in different fields. And also I'll be bringing a lot of experts who will talk on different industry domains from time to time. So let's see how it goes. And thank you for listening to me, and hope to come with another video. Thank you.